Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for the entertainment news, and let's start off with this one. Courts to decide on application which freed Naira Marley and Sam Larry. The Lagos State High Court sitting in Ikeja has fixed July 2, 2025 to deliver a judgment in a suit filed by Mr. Joseph Aloba, the father of late Afrobeat artist Ilerioluwa Aloba, popularly known as Mohbad, challenging the legal advice that cleared music figure Naira Marley and socialite Sam Larry of any wrongdoing in the controversial death of his son. Represented by Senior Advocate of Nigeria SAN Wahab Shitu, Mr. Aloba is asking the court to set aside the legal advice issued by the Lagos State Director of Public Prosecutions (DPP), which exonerated several high-profile suspects, including Naira Marley, real name Abdulaziz Fashola, and Sam Larry, real name Samson Balogun Eletu, from criminal liability in Mohbad's death. Mr. Shitu argued that the DPP's advice prematurely absolved key suspects while a coroner's inquest meant to determine the cause of death was still ongoing. He claimed this action robbed the Aloba family of fair hearing and undermined the credibility of the inquest, especially as some individuals mentioned during the proceedings were released based on the legal advice. In response, Aide Ibrahim, a legal assistant in the DPP's office, submitted a counter affidavit clarifying that the suspects were discharged, not acquitted, and that DPP's actions were carried out lawfully upon reviewing the police investigation file. The second respondent, DPP, acted within its statutory mandate. There was no credible evidence linking Naira Marley, Sam Larry, Prime Boy, or Pere Babatunde to Mohbad's death, the affidavit stated. It further added that the coroner and the applicants were not entitled to the full case file and were not in a position to contradict the findings. The DPP maintained that Mr. Aloba failed to provide new, uncompelling evidence that would justify setting aside the legal advice, arguing that his case was based on speculations and conjectures. As the legal proceedings reach a critical juncture, all eyes will be on the court's July 2 verdict, which would either uphold the clearance of the accused or reopen the path to further investigations and prosecutions in the highly sensitive and emotionally charged case. Here we go again.
As in, just when we thought we were done with this, now this has come up again. Mohbad's father is saying no, he's not giving up on this. They should never have been released. But according to what they're saying now, they said they were not acquitted. They were just released. So let's just wait for July 2nd and let the law take its course, and let's see what the way forward is. That's all I'm going to say.
I just still cannot believe in 2025 we're still talking about this situation. It's crazy how the whole legal process is even slow.
Yeah.
And everything. And the sad part of it all, Mohbad is still not buried.
Yes, that's the worst.
According to what is outside. And everything is just awkward and doesn't make sense. I'm tired about hearing this.
Tired of hearing it.
So
and this is one of the reasons why I don't know, but I've heard people in recent times when there's an issue and someone says, oh, take the case to court, they're like, oh, so that I'll go and sleep in court. Because they feel like the legal system will take time. It takes a long process because we see a lot of cases being postponed, being moved forward, cases that should just be resolved. Oh, someone is not available, even the P-Square brothers. See how long that has dragged for. So it's just really, really sad, the Okoye brothers. And this is also sad because Wunmi is battling her own. Behind Wunmi, Mohbad's wife. She's somewhere always coming out to talk about all the negativity she gets, all the pressure, everything. His son is growing up and he's still not buried. Like, you're growing up without a father, but your father's body is there. It's just really sad. I hope this can be resolved pretty soon.
Yeah, true that.